Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NWBO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis last week, so that's where these green lines are coming from, but definitely want to get some updates here made. So the first thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning and just get rid of that green line down there. Yes, it still pertains to the chart, but in the spirit of kind of a presentation perspective, I don't want to have a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion. So just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So first level that still remains and hasn't been tested, but 54 cents, that's going to be a level to still keep an eye on. And I definitely want to keep that level up on the chart. But now more so near term, and especially after today's price action, seems to be a newer level of support that has arisen right up there at 58 cents. You can see on a couple different occasions, the bears try to press down below it right there, and then again later on in the afternoon, but each and every time, the bulls did a good job of holding strong. So 58 cents would definitely be the ideal level of support, meaning if you were to say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above 58 cents, that would definitely make it look the strongest, but by no means am I saying that if the price drops below 58 cents, that everything's ruined or anything like that, but that would definitely be preferable. So 58 cents, 54 cents, still those two near-term levels of support, but the way it closed in the afternoon, again, each one of these represents 30 minutes. So you can see the final hour of the day that the price headed up nicely, into the close. So if this upwards move does continue, I want to map out a couple more potential levels of resistance. So let's go find some potential battlegrounds. So I'm going to have to scrunch up the chart here a little bit. There we go. Next key battleground. What is that? Right up there at 64 cents. Why 64 cents? Key battleground where if you go back and look through the history of the chart, you can see right here has some history knocking it down, and then right there knocked it down directly. So by no means am I saying 64 cents is impossible to break. I'm just saying that according to the past history, apparently the bulls are going to have to bring their A game if they're going to fight through it. But all in all, as long as the price keeps on putting in the higher lows like it's been doing the past few days, then the long-term chart, this uptrend is going to continue to build, and the overall chart is going to continue to take care of itself. So we'll see what happens. The week is young. It's only Monday, so still 4 days left. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.